Hey guys, today I have a quick review of the Airthereal automatic shoe dryer. So if you are constantly getting dirty shoes like me and my wife, then this is something that comes in a lot of handy. So we'll constantly just toss our shoes into the wash, but then we don't like to put them in the dryer because they bang around and knock all over the place. It's not really good for the dryer. It's probably not good for the shoes either. Well, this product is meant to fix that. So we're going to do an unboxing and then I'm going to test it out. How it works is you actually put your shoes on these little posts here. And what that allows you to do is then these things put out heat and actually dry and deodorize your shoes. So let's get into it. Okay, the Airthereal shoe dryer. Very excited to get this one out of the box and see what we are working with here. If this works well, it's going to be an awesome addition to our house because we are constantly needing to dry shoes. So let's see what we have here. We have the main unit in a bag right here. This is what is going to provide the heat right here. It comes with a nice manual. And then you have a bunch of additional tubes that you need to actually install onto the main unit itself. Super easy to do. They just slide right on. And then at the top of those tubes is where you're actually going to put on these pieces right here, which are going to hold your actual shoe. And those just slide on like that. So don't even need to use the instructions. It's all super easy to install. And this is going to funnel the heat out of here up and into the shoe. So it's all designed pretty meticulously to funnel the heat up and into the shoe. So let me finish getting this built and then we'll do some testing. All right, so now I've got this shoe dryer plugged in and you can see we have two dashes across here. So if I hit the power button, it's gonna go ahead and turn it on. So now we can adjust the time that it's heating up. So right now it's at 60. We can go all the way up to 1 hour, 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours. I think we're just gonna do it for 90 minutes for now. And so what we should see is that this should start increasing in heat, and we can take a quick look at it right now and see, do we see anything hot coming out of it just yet? So yeah, as you can see, that is putting out some heat, and it looks like right now it's at about 70 degrees, the air that's coming out of each of these little tubes. So let's see if that continues to increase over time. And so obviously the most important thing here is you want to take some wet shoes and they just slide down right on top, just like that. And we'll take the other one. And so this is capable of doing 4 shoes at a time, and it's going to be pushing both air through the shoes, through any mesh netting or anything like that, and it's going to be pushing heat out of them. So again, let's take a look again, and yeah, look at how hot the tip of that shoe is getting. All of that hot air is helping to dry the shoes out, guys. So it really is super simple. If you notice here, our timer went down to 89, and that's because it's been running for 1 minute. I can definitely start to feel that that is a lot more heat coming out of there. So it really is incredibly simple. You just turn it on, it's going to start drying your shoes, and you can do 4 at a time. And again, look at that, getting some serious heat coming out of here. That one is already at 85 degrees. So it's not going to burn your shoes or anything, but it is going to put out a lot of good heat. So definitely check it out, guys.